Yeah, see and that's the problem we have. A lot of guys don't realize that the avalanche zones. Now, have you ever seen an avalanche?
No, not yet.
Have you ever been in the vicinity of an avalanche?
No.
Okay.
I've seen it on
Let's
YouTube.
put it this way. Stand here, blow that tire up. We had an avalanche there 3 years ago. They were shooting over on the other side of the mountain, over on the east side of the mountain, knocking down the avalanche where the snow sheds are. That one came down. It was so friggin' deep. I only saw that much of the 1021, and I was on the other side, and it was from here, go up to the fucking corner.
Oh.
Almost 2/3 of the way down. And it was 22, 25 feet deep, all the way across with logs and trees. And it just came down without notice.
Good morning mga kapatid, good morning. Rise and shine. Ano natin bumangon. So wala tayong maging kasama rito, no? Wala tayong maging kasama. Ayan, solo lang tayo dito pagdamag. Walang nag-park dito kasi wala pa naman masyadong nabiyahe. Mag-start pa lang yan mamaya, tapos hanggang bukas yung mga biyahe. Mas may cellphone ko ito. So, dito tayo. Ayan. Ito yung parking. Pag ganito pala dapat ang parking, pero nakabalagbag ako. So, ayan, exit na kaagad, oh. Okay. So, check din natin ang weather. Kung anong weather ngayong araw. So 16 dito. So tingnan natin yung map. So nandito na tayo. Ayan na yung Calgary. Dito tayo papunta sa area na to. Ayan, sa area ng banda ng Vancouver dito. Nandito yung Langley sa area na to. Malapit na yan sa Vancouver. Surrey, yeah, malapit dyan yan. Hindi lang siya lumalabas, pero nandyan sa area na yan. So wala naman, walang namumuong winter storm, ano. Although dito may mga storm sa mountain sigurado, sa Golden, no, na madadaanan tayo. Expected na yan na ang area ng mountain is medyo may snow dyan, kahit hindi pinapakita rito. Ang importante lang, walang namumuong ganito kagaya nito na storm. So okay siya. So ang weather ngayon sa Vancouver is ito ngayon +6. So makakatakas tayo ng konti sa lamig, no? So layo natin sa ating delivery, reliable tube direction. Meron pa tayong 1,000 kilometers. Look, kasi nandito yun. So na-travel natin kahapon pala is 1,182 kilometers, no? So may 13 hours and 45 minutes. Mabagal na, no?
Please drive to highlighted route.
So meron pa tayong alauna pa naman yan. Pero ang nakalagay dito sa ano ko is 1,081. I don't know bakit dito is 1,200. Yeah, 1,200 dito. Dito is 1,081 lang. But I think it's 1,081 na lang. Let's see mamaya ano kung saan tayo pinadadaan niya. So bababa lang tayo, no? Magpi-pre-trip tayo and then dire-diretso na tayo sa biyahe. So tara. Pre-trip tayo, no? So dito ako, humamba lang ako sa gitna. Meron palang isa, mga kapatid, ayan, no? Isa tayong kabady na ano na nagpark dito, no? Ayan, no? So okay din natin yung mga gulong. Yung load natin is nag-ship ba or what? So okay naman siya, no? Yan, walang bahid yung rim natin ng ano, no, oil. So yan, may isang body tayo na ano, dapat pala pag ganito pahalang. Pero iniisip ko kasi napaka-iksi nito. So pa-slanting ng sobra siguro para maka-park ng maayos. Kasi tinignan ko dun sa ano, Google Map, halos pag 45 degrees eh, pero ang haba eh, oh, di ba? Baka maharangan yung dadaanan magkabila. So ito, kailangan linisin, no? Lilinisin yan para may visibility tayo, no? Naku-overan na yung ano, mga ilaw, oh. Yung plaka natin, oh, umano na, hindi na makita. Importante yan, no? Tingnan nyo, pagka nagta-travel ka ganyan, hindi na halos makita, wala. Ikaw, baka sumalpok pa yung kotse sa likod natin. Nako, makaka-aksidente tayo. Kasi nung ilang kilometers na bago ako mag-stop kagabi, eh di ba snow, kaya na-coveran na yan. So kailangan aalisin natin yan, ano? So kita na tayo sa likod. Sa gilid okay naman. Di masyado malamig dito, no? Hindi ako nag-shoot na makapal, oh. Pero okay lang. Ito. Okay, matikas ang mga gulong, gumagana lahat ng ilaw, oh. Marker lights kompleto. So we're good to go. Start of the day na tayo, mga kapatid. So kita-kita tayo, mga kapatid, sa kalsada, no? Isang magandang umaga. So tara na, magliliwanag na, mga kapatid. Dadaan pa tayo ng gasolinahan. Dieselan pala. Ganun na rin yun.
Continue on the current road.
So, ngayon sa ESO tayo, no? Kasi, yun na yung bagong pwede naming pagdieselan dito inside Canada sa ESO. So ayan, no, nagliliwanag na mga kapatid, ano? And hopefully makarating tayo ng Hope mamayang gabi, no? Sa Flying J sa Hope sa British Columbia. And sana maganda ang kalsada para walang aberya. So good morning mga kapatid, mga brother. Isang magandang morning, second day ng ating biyahe puntang Langley, British Columbia. So patuloy nyo akong samahan sa biyahe at kita-kita tayo mamaya dun sa ESO. Ngayon lang uli ako magpo-fuel sa ESO, palaging pilot at Flying J. And I think mas madaling mag-fuel sa ESO compared sa sa ibang fuel station. So kita-kita tayo sa Calgary ESO sa 32nd Street. Doon tayo magpe-fuel dahil madadaanan naman natin yun. Yan, malapit na tayo mga kapatid sa ating fuel station sa ESO Calgary dito sa 32nd Street. So sa ESO tayo ngayon magpe-fuel. Diyan na rin tayo mag-shower. Pero mamaya pa tayo kakain. So dito sa Calgary, no, dito ako New Year. Almost ako dito 7 days, no, dyan sa anak ko. Dito kasi yung anak ko nagwo-work sa Alberta Health Services, no, nasa hospital siya. Pero dun siya sa southeast nakatira.
Turn right after the Husky, then take the first right.
So first time kong mag-fuel uli dito after a while sa ESO. Yung first company ko, ito yung fuel fuel station na lagi naming pinakakargahan. Ngayon idinagdag to ng company namin, At ito yung first option ng pag-fuel namin kapag nandito kami sa Canada. Pero pag sa US, pilot Flying J, wala kaming labs Ewan ko ba kung bakit wala.
Turn right at the traffic light, then take the first right.
So ayan siya. Yung ESO na yan. Nung first time ko rin makapunta rito sa Calgary, dito ako first na nag-stop at nag-stay for the night sa ESO na to. So
then take the first left.
Sana meron ditong def, ano? May def kaya dito. Yata sa kaliwa yung may def, ano? Yun yung kaliwa ang may def. So sa kaliwa tayo. Kasi kailangan natin ng def. Eh parang tingin ko ang def nila yung nandun sa may box. Ayun o, yung sa may box na yun. Dito sa ano, parang walang def tong mga fuel pump nila. Ang def yung nandun kasi malamig eh. Regular. Ito, pwede dito. So, ang def dyan. So, okay lang. Lumampas na yata ako masyado. Pero parang may depth din dito. Ayan, oh. Hindi ko kasi masyado na maalala eh. Tapos tayo ng konti. Para sure. Ayan. So, first time kong mag-diesel dito, no? Ito yung fuel card namin. No? So, tingnan natin kung paano. Kita tayo doon sa baba. So, yan. Let's see. Oh, ayaw ano. Press contact. Would you like a receipt? Yes, of course. English. Diesel and brand depth. Diesel. Tractor. Passcode. Paano ba i-clear? Clear. Click OK. Enter. Yes. Oh. No, clear. Okay na lang. Enter driver number. Enter driver number and press OK. 394. Enter. Oh, 39394. Enter. Ang dami pala pagka ano. 950. Yun, pwede. Okay. Good. So, pwede tayo dito. Pero, yung depth, dun tayo. Yung depth. Ano ko kung pwede yung depth dito. I'm not sure. So yan, fuel na tayo dito, no? So, mayroong maingay dito na hindi ko maintindihan eh. Parang may ice. May buksan ko itong ano. So, I hope na gumagana itong ano niya, satellite pump, ano? So, yun lang. So, meron tayong tire chain, ano? Yan. Papanik tayo ng BC. Dapat meron palagi ang tire chain just in case, no? Kailanganin natin. And then pag crash cars na kailangan ng chain or machinery, meron tayong chain na ready. So after natin mag-fuel dito, magpa-park tayo dyan, and then dito yung store, dito tayo mag-shower. So, tapusin ko lang itong pag-fuel ko. Then, kita-kita tayo uli maya-maya. So yung depth mga kapatid dito, no, feel, no, magkano kaya ilalagay ko other amount, hindi ko alam kung say 50. Yes, kailangan insert na naman, magagasgas tong card. Tractor. No. Okay. Okay, pwede na. Naninibago ko. Sira yung ano niya para mag-automatic. Ilan lang? Parang ilan liters lang. Ay, bumalik. Hinihila ko na, ayaw. Resibo ko. Wala yata itong ano, ito dito. Para sa cashier. Sa cashier na lang, 19. Mamaya, babalik tayo dyan. Kasi magsa-shower din tayo. Oh, okay. Let's go mga kapatid.
Turn right, then take the first right.
Dito na tayo magpa-park dito. Sa ano na to.
Turn right, then take the first right.
Para malapit tayo sa store. Ikot tayo, tapos park tayo dyan, then maliligo tayo mga kapatid.
Turn right, then take the first right.
Yung pala yung mga susi na hinahanap ko, nasa sahig. So dito tayo papasok.
Turn left.
Sa ano na to, dito sa space na to. Dito papasok yun. Natin ng konti para pag lumabas to baka mamaya sasabitan tayo eh. Dito na lang tayo. Okay, so mag-ready lang ako, then punta tayo magsa-shower. Okay, shower tayo, no? Tatanungin natin kung may free shower tayo kasi dati naalala ko wala akong free shower dito eh, no, sa dati kong company. Ewan ko sa card na to kung meron. Nag-diesel ako ng almost ilang liters yun, almost 500 liters. I think ano bang number yan? Baka tanungin ako kung saan ako nag-fuel eh. M4. No, M4. Oh, hindi. Oo, M4. M4 yan, M4. Yeah, with the depth. Tapos 19 yung sa depth eh. 19. Okay. Tanungin natin. Hi. I fueled on the depth. Can I have the receipt for that? 19. Yeah. And do I have a shower? I fueled.
If you get diesel, yes.
Yeah. You can check that with this, right?
No, you have to get the receipt from the pump. Unless you get, did you pay at the pump?
Yeah, I pay in the pump.
The pump?
Yeah. That would be
What pump
M4.
M4?
Yes. I have the receipt, but it's in the truck.
29?
Yeah. Yeah, 9.
Okay.
Yeah.
594 liters.
Yep.
New towel?
Yes, please. So you don't have like the Flying J with because this is new for us. We have the Flying J rewards cards. This one we don't have, right? You don't have that to earn points so that we can use
No.
Oh.
So $3.15 with the towel. You have to pay the deposit for the towel.
For the towel?
Yeah.
It's just the deposit?
Yeah, $3.15.
Okay.
Like you don't get the $3.15 back.
Oh.
No, it's just $3.15 for the towel.
Oh, I will pay for myself for that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just for the towel, yeah.
Okay, okay.
But the shower is free. You just get
All
to
right.
the towel.
All right. No problem.
There you go. Towel you have to get back, but you don't get the.
Yeah.
Back, yeah. Unfortunately.
All right.
That's yours.
This the depth, right? The receipt for the depth.
Yeah, that's for the depth.
Okay. Okay.
Do you want another receipt for the diesel?
Yes, please, so that it will be uniform. Because the one there.
You keep one and I'll give you another one, okay?
Yep. Thank you so much.
Come forward, sir. There you go, honey.
Thank you.
And there you are. Shower number 1.
All right. Mahirap talaga pagka hindi mo kabisado yung yung bago kasi sa akin itong ESO number 1. So may susi. Walang yung kagaya sa na meron pang mga key, automatic lahat. At ito, hindi siya ganun kalaki kagaya ng sa Flying J, But then, yeah. Still fine. So, yeah, mag-shower muna tayo. And kita-kita tayo sa daan mamaya. So yan, tapos na tayo mag-shower, Balik lang natin itong susi. And okay na. Here's the key. Thank you so much. The towel is there.
In the basket?
Which one?
In the basket?
No, inside the
Shower?
shower.
Okay, I'll put it in the basket.
All right.
Okay,
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good day. Thanks. So ito yung tsura nung ESO. Mas iba pa rin talaga ang Flying J. Tsaka Pilot So nakita nyo yung truck natin, malinis pa, Nakatravel na tayo ng 1,350 kilometers pero malinis pa. Dahil dry yung daan, Dahil minus double digit. Pero pag papunta na sa BC, magpa-positive, sigurado basa ang daan. Manlilimahid na to. Ayan, di ba? Malinis pag winter. Pero mamaya lang pagka wala na, madumi na yan. So, yeah. Start na natin to. So, yun lamang mga kapatid, tuloy-tuloy ang biyahe natin. Larga na tayo ulit. Ayan, tuloy-tuloy ang ating biyahe, mga brother. No? Presko tayo, nakapag-shower na tayo. At hindi pa tayo kumain nga lang kasi gusto kong ibalik yung aking schedule ng kain, ano, between 12 to 6, yun lang. Sana kayanin ko, no, dahil gutom na ako sa totoo lang. 10:30, mayroon pang 1 oras at kalahati bago tayo kumain. So yeah, pero sa tingin ko kakayanin ko na. Kaya ito, meron tayong tubig. Kapag ka nagugutom na, tinutubigan ko na lang. What? Kaya ako ginagawa to sa lumipas na holiday, sobrang dami ng nakain, na kung ano-ano ng mga bagay. So kailangan kahit papaano mabawasan yung nag-gain na timbang, yung kolesterol na sobrang dami, medyo mabawasan, kasi pagka nagkakaedad na, hindi na kagaya ng metabolism ng mga bata pa, na kayang-kaya kahit ano.
In 1 kilometer, take the ramp on the right to Highway 2 North.
Pag tumanda na, mahina na tuhod, mahina na resistensya, mahina na panunaw, marami nang mahina, mabilis nang ma-injury. Yung injury, matagal nang gumaling. Lalong-lalo na pag flat deck, mga kapatid, kapag kayo pagpunta nyo rito at kayo ay flat deck driver, mas prone tayo sa injury, especially kapag nagsisecure ka ng load mo, kailangan mong umakyat ng deck, maglalagay ng strap, ng chain, iba't ibang machinery, may expose tayo sa height, so mas prone talaga sa injury.
Take the ramp on the right to Highway 2
Kaya kailangan ng iba yung pag-iingat kapag ang pinili nyo ay flat deck driver kayo, compared dun sa mga dry van, sa reefer, ibang naglo-load, lalagay, i-atras nyo lang sa dock, lo-loadan kayo, isasara nyo lang yung pinto. So ang poproblemahan nyo lang is to drive safely. Dito hindi, pati yung load mo, cargo mo yan, you need to make sure na yung load mo hindi aalis dyan sa deck mo. And pag nagsisecure ka, ma-expose ka sa kung ano-anong injury kapag hindi ka maingat. So dito tayo, going north, Deerfoot Trail. Dito tayo dadaan, iikot tayo papunta ng west, Hindi tayo dadaan dyan sa diretso kasi downtown yan, iikutan natin. Parang sa Winnipeg perimeter to, iikutan yung city pag ganun. Then balik ng Trans-Canada 1 all the way to west, then Banff, Kelowna, Banff, and then Lake Louise, and then diretso Golden, then Kelowna, and then yun na, Abbotsford.
Take exit 265 on the right to
Abbotsford, then Hope, Hope, British Columbia, then Langley. Bukas tayo ng doon tayo magstay sa Flying J. Hopefully kakayanin natin. We still have 11 hours. Kung magandang kalsada, I think doable yan, kasi around 850 kilometers ang Hope, British Columbia. So around 9 hours, 10 hours, I have 11 hours, so I think doable yan. Let's see. Sana magandang daan, walang winter storm, walang snowstorm, then makakaabot tayo doon.
In 2.5 kilometers, take exit 265 on the right to 11th Street East, then keep left.
Okay. So mga kapatid, nandito tayo ngayon sa sa may turnout area, yung na-videoan ko dati. So nandito tayo uli. Gusto ko uli ipakita sa inyo kung ano ang itsura ng lugar kapag ka winter time. So ito yon. So yan yung truck natin, ano. So yung sa likodan ko, yan yung papunta ng Calgary. At dito sa harapan ko, yan yung direction natin papunta ng British Columbia. So ito yung kapaligiran. Diba? Ayan yung mountain, no? Puno na ng yelo. Hindi pa naman ganon, pero ayan na, no? Parating na sa mapupuno yan ng puting-puti, no? So yan yung highway nasa likod natin. And then ito yung maliit na company, ito na nandyan sa gilid ng lake, diba? Ang ganda. So yan, pakita natin. Yan, the best, diba? So dyan tayo papunta mamaya. Dire-diretso dyan, no? Malayo-layo pa tayo. Nag-stop lang ako dito. Kakain na rin ng tanghalian. So yan. So, gusto ko sa inyo ipakita yung area na yan, ano. I don't think na frozen na yan. Hindi natin alam, ano, kung frozen na yan, lake na yan. Wala tayong makikitang bakas na meron ng pumupunta dyan. So ibig sabihin hindi pa frozen yan, ano. So yun mga kapatid, ano, kahit papano naisama ko kayo rito, no, dadala ko kayo. Nakita ninyo, ito yung turnout area just before Canmore. Then after ng Canmore is Banff na, and then Lake Louise. Isa sa mga palaging pinupuntahan ng mga turista rito, lalong-lalo na ng mga kababayan nating Pilipino, no? Dahil napakaganda. Hopefully makapunta ako doon, ewan ko, itong February. Let's see kung makakapasyal tayo doon sa February, ano, para at least maipakita ko sa inyo, makita ninyo kung gaano kaganda ang Banff at ang Lake Louise. For sure, frozen yon. So, abangan nyo yan mga kapatid, ano. Gagawa ko ng way kapag bumisita ako dito sa February, kung makakabisita kami dyan sa Banff ng anak ko, no. So, let us see. Abangan nyo yan mga kapatid. So yun lamang, balik na tayo sa truck at tuloy-tuloy ang ating biyahe ng buhay. Isang magandang tanghali. How are you, sir?
Oh, it's another day in paradise. How about you?
Yeah, not so good.
Do the park lights work on the truck?
Everything there, it's
Everything
not.
there?
Yeah, it's not working. I don't know.
What about turn signals and brake lights and stuff?
No. I think no.
You got turns on the trailer, truck and trailer?
Okay. About the brakes?
All right, I'll go back and check.
Yeah, there's a brake. So it's just the marker lights?
Just the marker lights. Everything else is working, yeah.
Okay. A while ago it's not. I don't know.
What's that?
A while ago, even the turn signal.
Oh, you had absolutely nothing a while
Yeah, a
ago?
while ago.
All right.
So I tried to turn off everything,
Yeah.
just to make sure. Then turn it on after 5 minutes, and yeah, if it is working a while ago, there's nothing.
Yeah.
I check everything, even the automatic check for the lights. I was at the back, nothing. But right now there is, but I don't know.
All right. Well, I'll poke and prod at it, see what I find.
All right.
Yeah, I can't fix what's not broken, but I can at least give you some marker lights going on.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, I'll get to it.
All right.
Came from Salmon Arm, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Little ways away.
You want me to open the utility light?
Oh, sure, yeah.
Yeah, so that we have light there. There. So, I don't know if it's the fuse or what.
Yeah.
I checked the fuse a while ago, but maybe I'm checking it wrong. Yeah, that other guy is a big problem, eh?
A little bit.
It,
yeah,
it, it shifted. It shifted. So I was thinking, oh, I'm still lucky.
You can't really look straight at it.
Oh, that's the prong going to the trailer.
So, yeah, those two, that's working there.
It's hard, eh? Because of this chain rack. It's on the. It's getting on the way.
Oh, yeah. That's totally the reason why. I fix lots of electrical this time of year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know why they design like this. There should be something here. So, like the Peterbilt.
Have like a full half
Yeah,
fender,
the Peterbilt are covered, but for this one. Oh, you have an automatic tester already, eh? Ready.
Okay. So the problem is in the truck.
In the truck?
Yeah.
Not on the trailer.
Nope.
Oh, you want me to open this side?
Yeah, I need the hood open.
Okay. I'll open the latch on the other side. Hold on. Okay, good. Yep. Yeah.
Oh, wow, that is nice and clean.
This is brand new.
Yeah.
It's just 40,000 K. So it's brand new.
Okay, well, there used to be a fuse box right here.
It's on the other side.
On the other side?
Yeah. Maybe they put it there on this model.
Yeah, there's that one. That's your main distribution.
Oh, you want
There
the...
should be a little fuse box.
Oh, a little piece. What I know is the big one where there's a lot on the...
All right, can I take a peek at that one?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Yo, still my key. Here, right here. This
Right
pop
behind
out.
that
Yeah,
panel?
this can pop out, and then the fuse are all there. Yeah, that one. So kompleto siya ng ano no, ng mga ano, yung kahit dito sa pigtail, mayroon lang siyang isinalpak. Magche-check niya na kung may problema yung linya. Wala daw problema yung trailer, so nasa truck. So most probably fuse, no. But I check one by one yung mga fuse ng trailer, no. It's really small. I took a picture of it so that I can enlarge it to see each one. There are 4 items for the trailer, I believe.
This
So-
time of year with all the salt in the water,
So you mean it might happen again while I'm on my way?
it's possible, yeah.
Oh shit.
I mean, I can open up both plug ends and see if they're full of mud or not.
All right. Because if we can find the one that causing it, then it will happen again for sure. Maybe
It's
a couple of
possibility, yeah.
a couple of kilometers, then all lights are gone again.
Yeah, well, we're both going the same way, aren't we?
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Because I can roll with you as far as Salmon Arm.
I'm going to Langley.
Yeah,
You're from Rebel Stock?
from Salmon Arm.
Oh, okay, okay.
The park lights, eh?
No. Oh, the pigtail is.
Oh, it's unplugged?
Yeah, yeah. I'll plug it in. Hold on. I'll get my. Yeah, it's in. Oh, there's the light.
There we go, yeah. Oh, but we lost tail light.
Uh-huh.
Now we have marker, we don't have tail. There.
Want me to check at the back or?
Yeah, check the tail, please. See
Okay,
the tail light.
all right, so that you will not. Tails are on.
Tails are on?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, well, markers are really weak.
Then the markers now is gone.
Trailer.
Yeah. Oh, so magulo, no? Nawawala yung marker lights, oh. Pagka okay na yung tail light, no? Nawawala naman ng marker lights. Ayan, oh, nawala na naman ng mga marker lights. Mahina siya, oh. Mahina ang voltahe. So there's something wrong. Kasi kanina, lahat naka-off yan.
Okay.
Sa middle of nowhere tayo, no, mga kapatid, And okay naman itong mga to, kaso yung marker lights natin, wala. Hindi gumagana. So, itong isa na to, ewan ko kung anong ginagawa dito mga to. How is it?
Oh, you broke down too, did you?
Yeah, it's electrical problem.
Well, at least you broke down in a good spot. That's
Yeah,
okay.
that was.
You can sleep
I was there a while ago on the glacier, on the avalanche area. Somebody told me you need to move, or else it's not.
Yeah, see and that's the problem we have. A lot of guys don't realize that the avalanche zones. Now, have you ever seen an avalanche?
No, not yet.
Have you ever been in the vicinity of an avalanche?
No,
Okay.
I've seen it on
Let's put it
YouTube.
this way. Stand here, blow that tire up,
Okay.
okay? And what you hear is what you fucking won't see.
Oh,
Ever hear a train go by?
yeah.
Ever stand next to a train?
Yeah.
Well, that's what it sounds like a locomotive coming at you full fucking throttle. And I'll tell you right now, down around the corner, down by General's down there,
Uh-huh.
which is the S corner and all that down there, is a gun spot. We had an avalanche there 3 years ago. They were shooting over on the other side of the mountain, over on the east side of the mountain, knocking down the avalanches with the snow sheds there.
Uh huh.
That one came down. It went across all fucking 3 lanes, hit the CN or CP tracks on the other side. And we got a 1021 loader. You know how big is a 1021? Okay, I'm sitting above your cab in a 1021. Like, my bucket can fucking crush anything. It was so friggin' deep. I only saw that much of the 1021, and I was on the other side, and it was from here, go up to the fucking corner. Well, better yet, from here, almost 2/3 of the way down, and it was 22, 25 feet deep, all the way across with logs and trees, and it just came down without notice. Down here, you're good because there's no avalanche here. But that's why we get a little bit cranky when we say, get the fuck out of the avalanche zone. Even if you got a limp fucker up over the hill, get her out of there because it'll take you like that.
Shit.
It will take you like that. Not even, you won't even notice it.
Oh.
Like when we work, we got an avalanche beacon on 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Yeah, because you're coming.
Yeah, because we're doing the whole. There's what is it, 165 avalanche paths between the park or Eastgate, where the park starts, to where the park ends. Everybody thinks it's only 4 or 5. It's 100 and some odd avalanche zones in this one area. That's why we get cranky when we tell you to get the fuck out of here. So, have fun.
Yeah.
You're safe down here. I don't give a shit if you sleep down here for the next 2 weeks. I don't care.
Okay. Yeah.
Electrical problems?
Electrical problems. Yeah. I see his lights are a little dim, eh?
It's only a ground.
Yeah.
You got to put the quarter into the slot. Didn't they tell you that?
Yeah, no. Oh. And they just safetied this trailer last Friday.
Yeah.
And
well, I'm sure it worked fine last Friday. That goes full brake. That goes full brake. Oh, hey, the problem's in the trailer.
so the wiring in the trailer.
Yeah. Truck's doing fine.
Okay.
Yeah, it is in the trailer. And because it's affecting these lights, I bet you it's right here at the front.
Okay. Yeah, you're.
Okay, so I'm going to pull that panel off.
This
See
one?
what I see? Yeah, that panel right there.
Oh, okay,
Open up
okay.
that plug. It's probably right there.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh no.
Is there air to the trailer right now?
Air?
Yeah.
Well, I need to pull that one because I did not pull it in. Hold on. Give me 1 sec here.
Hey. Put this, keep the mud off of it. Where do you put these? Keep them clean.
Here. Okay. So, merong nag-ground doon, no? Kaya nag-trip yung isang fuse, no? Ng marker lights, mahina siya. So, bubuksan niya yung panel, for sure, soak ng water yon, ano? Kaya natitrip yung fuse. I hope maayos kaagad.
Okay, everything's all closed back up.
Okay.
Let's do a light test.
Yeah.
I need a little bit of info from you, just unit numbers of truck and trailer. And are you guys prorated? Do you have a cab card?
Maybe it's here. This one? No.
No, it'll say a portion cab card on it.
Yeah. I've seen once,
Yeah.
but I don't know if it's here.
Yeah, some carriers have them, some don't. Yeah.
But we do have for sure. I don't know.
Yeah.
But if not, then yeah, just direct bill them.
All right. Yeah, I'll charge them taxes. If they do have it, they can take care of it on there.
Yeah.
Yeah, 'cause, yeah, there isn't-
At their end.
Manitoba, IFTA. Most companies have IFTAs, have cab cards.
Yeah.
But I don't know. Yeah, I'll just charge them both taxes. They can figure it out. on their
Yeah.
end.
Maybe
Or they
they're the
can-
one who will take
yeah.
care of it.
All right, so truck number
It's-
394.
Yep. Trailer is 26. Oh no, 35-226.
35-226. Okay, perfect.
That's the. You don't need anything there,
I don't
like
need
the
none of that
VIN or.
stuff. No.
Okay.
Unit number is good enough.
The name of the company, right?
Got that? Yeah.
All right. And
All
the
right.
phone number, you have
I got,
that already.
I got all that in my office at home. Yeah.
All right, perfect. So we do a
Let's do
check.
it, let's
Do
do
I
it.
need to sign anything?
No, don't worry about it.
All right,
Yeah.
okay,
So yeah,
perfect.
we'll do one more light test, and then
We're good to go.
good to go.
Oh yeah.
And if you have any problems between here and Salmon Arm, call me. But
Yeah.
I don't think you're gonna have any problems.
Yeah.
Pretty sure I got it.
Thank you so much. So, yeah, we'll do another test. So you'll be at the back.
I'll be at the back.
All right.
Yeah, left turn.
Ayos na, naayos ka na. All right.
Right turn, I lost taillights.
Oh,
I don't know why.
we lost the right turn.
We lost right turn and we lost tails.
Tails. Oh.
Oh,
So-
well, I guess we're not done.
Yeah. So wala, hindi pa tapos. Patay. Patay tayo dyan. Oo. Wala, bubuksan niya na naman yan. Dapat bago niya isinara, ikinabit niya muna yung fuse. What's the coldest temperature here?
Typically we get about a week or two about minus 25.
Oh,
That's
okay.
the worst of our winter. Okay, try again. See that?
All right,
fix it.
okay. I let them know to, the pressure of the spring, do you think
Yeah.
it might,
It shouldn't be, because once it's hooked on that tap,
yeah,
it
it
can't go
shouldn't
up.
be moving, yeah. I hope it fixed it.
Okay, let's do another light.
Finger crossed. Let's do it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
I'm
It's
filming.
okay. It's okay. It's good. And yeah, maybe I will stay for a while. I'll check everything,
Yeah,
and then I don't know. Maybe I'll stay here for the night. I don't know.
yeah.
Let's see. I'll call dispatch, because either way, I'm not delivering
You're
this
not
tomorrow.
making your- yeah.
No.
Mhm.
Yeah. Okay.
Alright.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
no
you. Have a good night.
You too.
Thanks. So okay na mga kapatid, gawa niya na. So maraming problema talaga pagka basa yung kalsada, nagga-ground siya, natitrip yung mga fuse niya, pero okay naman na. Magdadrive pa ako ng mga ilang kilometro, then sabihin ko sa dispatch ko na kuhanan ako ng bagong appointment.